Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. Before I head to bed, I want to tell you about my favorite sleep aid, and this is the Melatonin Gummies from Vitafusion. This bottle does come with 140 gummies in 3 milligrams. What's so great about these are that they are sugar-free, so it's perfect for anyone who is trying to watch their sugar intake. These are about a dime size, but yet they are super powerful. I love that they help me to fall asleep within minutes and I wake up feeling refreshed, which is such a great thing because I do travel for work, so the jet lag does hit me sometimes. So I'm glad I'm able to have something to help with that. And the greatest thing of all is that it is white tea and peach, and it tastes amazing despite being sugar free. And that's my point of view.